So today I'm gonna discuss about the impact of globalization and communication on society in the world. So globalization has greatly changed how people communicate worldwide with technology and the internet. It is now easier to share information, and interact instantly. To understand this effect, we gathered three respondents: as a car driver, a private employee, and a government employee to, to ask ho- to ask about how globalization has impacted communication in their lives. So first is Sika driver. So the Sika driver says that the thinks that the globalization and communication of society in the world has positive and negative effect. The positive effect is that it allows the people from different countries now to be able to communicate without any limit. They can contact anyone from this world through social media. Nowadays, compared to their generation, which is very hard for them to communicate if they're far away from the other people, like family member, friends, lover, and etc. So, communication and globalization has made our life easier. However, the downside out of these good things is not anyone has the access of communication. Like they don't have the cell phones, internet, or money to buy data to communicate. That's the only interference of communication and globalization in society in the world for him. So analysis, as a driver age 57. So his viewpoints recognize both positive and negative effects of globalization and communication. So for the positive effect, he says that it's easier and faster connection with people worldwide through social media. And for the negative effects, not everyone has an equal access to technology or internet resources due to financial problem. And for the analysis, his answers reflect the digital divide where economic factors limit access to global communication tools. It shows awareness of technological progress but also expresses nostalgia for the past generation's communication challenges. And it also represents the perspective of older and lower income workers who benefit from technology but face accessible challenges. And for the next is private employee. So the private employee says that as a worker from Del Monte for more than 10 years, it has a good impact for me because there's no advanced tools and technology as we have today than before. While working in Del Monte, we have flexible schedule that is sometimes unannounced before the day of the work. So like example, today is my night shift, then I go to my workplace and when I get there, they said our line is not currently available and I and then they would only pick some of us employees to fill into different roles in the workplace. If some of us didn't got picked, then we don't have choice but to go home. So that's the bad side of Del Monte as a worker. However, after this new technology, we have today and the communication globally, it helps us to be informed in advance about the current availability of our role in the workplace. So we don't have to waste our fair fee for going to an unsure duty of that day. Additionally, globalization has a good impact to me because I can communicate with my coworkers using social media and my daughter abroad, which is very helpful. So I still have contact with her even she's living in different countries. What they have countries.
Okay, so as for the viewpoints of the private employee, a 56 years old and a Del Monte worker, uh, he emphasizes the practical benefits of communication globalization in the workplace. The positive intake from her response is that the im- the improved coordination, the advanced information sharing, and the ability to communicate with the family abroad. And the negative side is that before globalization, The lackness of technology causes workplace confusion and wasted time. So, as we analyze a response, it highlights how communication technologies enhance work efficiency and connect families separated by migration. It also demonstrates appreciation for global organizational communication improvements and global connectivity. And they have a common response from the Sika driver. The two respondents struggles with the pace of technological advancement, but they values its usefulness. So, and now let's proceed to the last respondent, the government employee. The government employee is a 32 years old public teacher. She said globalization has greatly changed how teachers communicate and teach. Before, everything was face to face or through letters and meetings, but now she can attend online seminars, share materials, and collaborate with teachers worldwide. It also helps make lesson more interactive and engaging for her students. However, she noticed that students are now too dependent on gadgets and social media, which makes them communicate less in person. Her response shows that globalization made education more connected and modern, but it also lessened real life interaction. It reflects how younger generations adapt easily to technology but still recognize its downsides. So, if we analyze all the three response from our three respondents from the Sika driver, private employee, and the government employee, which is who are a teacher. They all experience both advantages and disadvantages of globalization in communication. The positive effects include it made easier and faster communication, better access to communication, and stronger global connection. And the negative effects are unequal access to technology, such as like especially for people who doesn't have enough money or low income to afford technology and buy some data or like have an access to the internet. And it all the negative effect also misinformation and fake news and less face-to-face interaction. This shows that while globalization improves how people connect, it also creates a digital gap between those who have access and those who doesn't have. In conclusion, overall, globalization has made communication more efficient and widespread, benefiting people in work, education, and even personal relationships. However, it also brings challenges such as unequal access, misinformation, and reduced face to face interaction. Despite this, all respondents recognize that globalization continues to shape and improve how society connects and communicates.